Hey guys, I'm Alec with Hennessey Performance, and today we're out here on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds to talk about an incredibly special car, not just for us, but in the automotive history books as well. I'm standing next to this 2019 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Now, for those that aren't familiar with this car, this was the biggest, the baddest, and the most incredible C7 Corvette or 7th gen Corvette that General Motors produced. It was a one-year only car, only offered in 2019, and they built less than 3,000 of these incredible cars. And not only are they rare, but they feature technology, performance, mechanics, and aesthetics that separate them from any other Corvette that's been offered before. One of just over 100 Arctic white coupes with the ZTK performance package, 8-speed automatic, and competition seats. With the 3ZR package, so highest trim level, most tech, gadgets, and options that were available. Now, every single Corvette ZR1 has a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 up front. It is an LT5 motor. It is nearly 50% larger than the LT4 V8. Now, the LT4 is most commonly known for being in your CTSV, your Camaro ZL1, your Corvette Z06. So to know that this car was receiving an engine that's nearly 50% larger than the engine that's in all of those icons is just absolutely mind-blowing. You can also tell the LT5 is much larger based on the size of the cowl on the hood of this car. When you're sitting inside, there is no missing it. Now, from the factory, the LT5 V8 produces 755 horsepower, 715 pound-feet of torque, which again, at the time, was just insanity. The Z06, the previous big dog in the C7 generation, made 650 horsepower, over 100 horsepower jump when going up to the ZR1. One other cool fact about the LT5 up front, it features both port and direct injection. So again, just goes into showing how much performance is packed in under the hood of this incredible Corvette. Now, in addition to the incredible LT5 up front, the Corvette ZR1 has 13 intercoolers. As a reference, the Bugatti Veyron only had 10 intercoolers. One other cool nugget about the LT5, this is the only car that has this powertrain. So you cannot get the LT5 in any other GM vehicle. Now let's talk about the ZTK package in a little bit more detail. It's a critical component of what makes these cars so valuable today. It was a $3,000 option. The ZTK package got you this monster high raised wing, along with several other aerodynamic changes, an updated track suspension, different tires. You've got a carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front fenders, carbon fiber rear quarter panels, carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front splitter, and it just goes to show how much GM put into making this the biggest, the baddest, and the most memorable Corvette that we had ever seen at the time. Now, of the 2,953 cars that were built, only 530 some were convertibles. So the majority of the production were the coupes, but only 500 and some convertibles produced. When you look at aftermarket and kind of resale market value today, that's why the convertibles so often fetch a much greater price, especially if they have a 7-speed manual transmission, competition seats, ZTK package. So all of these little factors that customers had when ordering the cars back in 2018, 2019, have greatly impacted the resale value in today's market. Now, on all four corners, you've got carbon ceramic brakes for the most stopping power, and then the wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Now let's talk about where Hennessey comes in with this car. So we decided that we were going to do a limited run, the Revival series, of our most popular upgrade, the HPE1000. You get updated pulley, long tube headers, upgraded air induction system, upgraded fueling, upgraded heads, upgraded cam. So a complete overhaul nearly of the LT5 engine to bump it up to that 1,000 horsepower and 966 pound-feet of torque. Now some people might say, why the heck do you need 1,000 horsepower in a Corvette? Well, just tell the guys that are looking to buy a C8 ZR1, the 1,000 horsepower is the new standard. Now we've since sold out of the Revival series. This is one of the last that we're building with this 1,000 horsepower upgrade. But because it's been a minute since we've had a C7 ZR1 out here, we had to take the opportunity to show off this particular customer's car. If you're looking for GM performance or just any performance vehicle, give our team a call. We're on standby to help you find your dream car. So whether you're a Ford guy, a Stellantis guy, or a GM guy. So give our team a call. We'll help you find the right car for you. So until next time, we'll catch you in the fast lane.
Hennessey's awesome, and tuner school is awesome.